AI image generation has been around for a while, but creating consistent characters and scenes for storytelling can be a challenge. One of the key advantages of using Artflow AI is its ability to generate consistent character images that can be placed in any scene, regardless of the story's length. This allows you to focus on developing your narrative without worrying about maintaining character consistency. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Artflow AI to create consistent characters and incorporate them into various scenes as your story progresses. To get started, visit the Artflow AI website using the links provided in the video description. Begin by signing up using the button below. Once registered, you'll be directed to the dashboard. To create an image, click on Create Your First Image. On the image creation interface, you'll find options for customization and settings in the side panel, as well as a selection of AI styles to choose from. Use the aspect ratio option to set your desired image dimensions. The consistent face feature allows you to apply a specific face to the AI-generated image, while the second option enables you to maintain consistency by selecting a pre-existing character. However, we don't have any characters yet, so let's create one. In the side panel, choose the character builder and select Create a New Character. You'll be taken to a page with a text box where you can describe your character's physical appearance, gender, facial expressions, and body structure. Once you've entered your description, click Generate. The AI will generate a character based on your input. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click Generate again until you find a character you like. The model will appear in your character list. I'll create 3 characters, Liam, Sophia, and Olivia, before returning to the image generator. As you can see, it's a straightforward process of providing a text description and letting the AI create the model. Once the AI generates the model, simply save it. Now, let's head back to the AI image generator to create a new image. Whenever you want to add a character to the prompt, use the character button. For example, if I want a picture of Liam sitting on a beach at sunset, I'll click Generate, and the resulting images will closely resemble the model I created. If I use a different text prompt to place Liam in another setting, the AI easily maintains consistency across the images. Let's try it with Sophia. I want an image of Sophia hiking through a lush forest with a backpack. As you can see, both images look nearly identical. Similarly, if I ask for an image of Sophia sitting at a cozy cafe with friends, the AI returns consistent results. No matter how the scene changes, keep adjusting the text prompt until you achieve the desired outcome. I've been using Artflow AI for a considerable time and have generated numerous images using the model characters I created. The images have been impressive, with characters remaining consistent across various environments and scenes. Artflow AI also offers additional features, such as the ability to animate your characters. To bring your character to life, navigate to the video studio and click Create New Video from scratch. Select the image you want to animate and type in what you want the character to say. Choose a voiceover profile and add video effects like zoom and pan. When you're ready, click the Export and Animate button. Within seconds, your video will be ready for download. Artflow AI is free to use, and you receive 100 credits upon signing up. Use the links in the video description below to visit Artflow AI, and thank you for watching.